This one's a walk down 2nd Avenue. See there? A whole bunch of places around here. There's Noodle House. This time, we're going to show you more of the industrial, commercial things that you'll find down 2nd Avenue in Fairbanks. Here's 3 places, all scrunched together. We have Little Owl. We have Solstice Books. And we have Alaskan Mystic Wonders. Salties. Across the street there, Bobby's Downtown. I reach Barnett Street. I'll skip ahead past the waiting across the street. Alright, here was a fun thing that they did a few years back. They had contests. We had people paint these vents that are for the steam pipes that run through and around Fairbanks. So you're gonna see a whole bunch of these guys, and they're just colorfully done steam pipes or steam vents. Okay, keep going down 2nd. There's 2 businesses there. Well, I guess 2 places. Key Bank. So that's like the Key Bank that's been around for a long, long time. And then Aurora Energy and the Greater Fairbanks Chamber of Commerce. Another one of the steam vents there. And then, fun fact, that is one of the older buildings as well. And, you know, I guess it's more of a realtor fun fact, but that we used to have one of our smaller title companies in there, but they recently closed down. So now there's still businesses in there. It's just one that I personally work with. And we get to Bushman Street. This is where it starts to get crazy. There are so many different businesses over here. Arctic Traveler's Gift Shop right there on the corner. See another one of those steam vents. Plus they put up a little information guide. So many Alaska rare coin, ivory, nuggets, jewelry, books. So Galia, Mecca Bar, the Red Fox, the Ivy Romance Bookstore, restaurant, see slightly newer, or at least redone buildings all the way over to our older buildings. The Co-op Plaza. So inside there, it's kind of like the Bentley Mall. There's places on the outside, and then a whole lot more on the inside. It just goes up some stairs through that door right there. There's 21 shops in there. Lots of places to visit and experience there. Looks like Gold Rush Fine Jewelry shut down. That's available for lease. There's two other places over here. The Cravery downtown. You see, that's over on 3rd, but not Kinley Banks over there. Here, we've got studios and things available for rent inside this building. And inside there, you experience super old elevators, stairways, and otherwise. Pretty awesome. The old stucco that was everywhere many years ago. We've got Big Ray's. This is a place to get Alaskan gear that stands up to the cold here. We've got the Ice Museum. There, we've got a parking garage and downtown transportation center. So, this museum is open. You find these plaques all over the place, giving some descriptions, some history. If you want to read that one, feel free to pause. So we're setting up now, and you have First Street is going to be fully shut down for the Midnight Sun Festival. So looks like Lacey Street here is going to be shut down for like a skate park. That's pretty cool. So there used to be right here another giant building, just like this guy, but as tall as the courthouse over there. They tore it all down just recently. I mean, they were looking at tearing it down for a long time. They finally did. Here, the Tap House, an elbow room. It's another place that has just a bunch of different things, rooms that you can rent out for businesses. That building, its parking lot's a little small, just on the side here. Then we get down further. On Noble Street goes down there. Chevron over there is one of the older ones as well. Yeah, so that's the majority of 2nd Avenue.